Luna Classic made a massive move, and if that's not interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Luna Classic analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see on Luna Classic yesterday, we saw a massive move to the downside after we failed to break above our crucial resistance here at 18. You can see we broke below the exponential moving averages, and yesterday I mentioned around this level here at 16 that we will be looking for a retest on the support at 14 because of the fact that this is going to be acting as a magnet. As of right now, you can see we did see a beautiful move to the downside, almost getting to our take profit zone, but you guys mentioned in the video yesterday of a cup and handle formation. I wanted to explain a little bit about what a cup and handle formation looks like, of course, and as of right now, Luna Classic could be in a potential cup and handle, but of course, this would become invalidated if we got any break below this 14 support. The reason why, of course, is usually in a cup and handle formation, you see a strong pullback opportunity, and as of right now we are not seeing that volume come in. You can see we saw briefly a green candlestick after a massive move to the downside, and looking at the 4-hour time frames, we are not even close to getting in terms of oversold RSI, so we still have quite a ways to go. These pattern formations, of course, are very manipulated, so we have to keep that in mind, but in my opinion, any break below this level here at 13 would mean the fact that the cup and handle is invalidated and we won't be looking for that continuation. Of course, if the cup and handle would be validated and we do see that breakout formation, we would need a strong bullish move set to try to reclaim this 18 resistance. Anything below that level, of course, would mean the fact that this was a fake out, but if we can get a strong bullish move set, find it as support and then a continuation, that would mean the fact that Luna Classic is ready to continue pushing higher, and my overall target from a bullish case scenario will still remain around our major resistance here at 22. The reason why, of course, that 22 level is very important is you can see when Luna Classic actually collapsed, we saw a beautiful retest of this resistance level and then the continuation to the downside. Right now on the 4-hour change, we are below the exponential moving averages, using them as resistance, which of course is a very bearish format, and in terms of RSI, we still have quite a ways in terms of a leg down formation, so my overall take profit level will remain around this 12 to 13 zone. Of course, this would become invalidated if we did get some nice support levels being tested and then a strong bullish move set. Only then we can classify this as a pullback opportunity, which I did mention once we saw that double top formation in terms of wicks, that we will be looking for a possible retest situation. On the hourly time frames for Luna Classic, you can see a much better understanding. The fact that these exponential moving averages are once again acting as resistance. From prior, we were using them as support and continuing pushing on higher. And as of right now, we have seen a beautiful formation to the downside. We are in terms oversold on the hourly time frames, but as you guys already know, the hourly doesn't really hold much weight. And looking at the other cryptocurrencies right now, things of course are looking extremely bearish, so we have to keep that in mind. My overall targets will still remain around the 86 support level because of the fact that this is of course a very strong daily support, and ideally a nice wick to the downside here and then a strong bullish move set would mean the fact that we did find some sort of local bottom, but right now I really don't hold much weight to the 14 support. The reason why is we have seen multiple wicks to the downside already breaking the support level, so in my opinion this support level isn't really a strong support in comparison to this range over here at 86, where we only saw one wick opportunity to the downside and then that strong bullish move set. Some of you guys wanted me to talk about the daily time frames on Luna Classic, and I quickly will go ahead and show you guys exactly on the daily what happened. You can see we broke above these exponential moving averages, had a very nice push, got that retest opportunity, and now we saw a very strong bearish engulfing candle on the daily time frame. The last time we saw a strong daily formation on the daily time frame, we saw a massive move to the downside. You can see from right over here around that level of 31, we saw a strong bearish move set, and then the continuation was massive. So if this level does play, we will be looking for a very large bearish move to the downside, possibly even breaking our 86 support. The 86 support level on the daily time frames is the last support zone the bulls really have to take in order for control before we start continuing pushing on higher, but any break below that level like we saw down here would mean the fact that Luna Classic could definitely capitulate and we could start to look for lower lows. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful